Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have the sheet ready, now link it. Open Extensions, Right Arrow Apps script and paste a script that reads rows and creates events. First, declare your calendar ID and time zone at the top so the script writes to the right calendar. Next, map column indexes to fields like title, start, end, description, guests. Once done, save the project and grant permissions when prompted. This authorizes the script to create and edit calendar events on your behalf. Now implement the main function that iterates sheet rows. For each row, trim values, parse start and end into JavaScript date objects, and validate that start is before end. Use Calendar app. Get calendar by ID, calendar ID, then create event, title, start, end, description, desk, guests to add events. If you have recurrence data, use create event series with a recurrence rule. Make sure to handle time zones consistently and log final steps. Run your script on a small sample of rows and check the calendar for correct titles, times, and guests. Once satisfied, set up a trigger. In App Script, add a time-driven trigger or on Edit trigger to automate sync. Make sure to handle duplicates by storing created event ID back to the sheet or checking existing events before creating. If something goes wrong, reauthorize permissions, verify date formats, and confirm the calendar ID. These 3 fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.